गुड मॉर्निंग एवरीवन। एक शानदार सी सुबह। सुबह का टाइम है दुबई में। My daughter has gone to school, and we are planning to go for dinner tonight because it's been a long time having dinner at Dubai. So in the night time we will be going to Dubai Mall, I guess, and up there we will be having dinner, and the place is surprise. So we are here at Dubai Mall, just entering now.
हमें यहाँ से जाना है और यहाँ पे पड़ेगी चीज़ केक फैक्ट्री।
एक्चुअली मुझे थोड़ी सी शॉपिंग भी करनी है।
सेफोरा जाना है।
So you guys enjoy Dubai Mall views, and the place which was surprised in the morning is actually Cheesecake Factory. Their macaroni cheese balls are very delicious, so we will be having them tonight, and we are going towards Cheesecake Factory right now. So now finally, after having 5 minutes walk, we have finally reached to Cheesecake Factory, and it is just in front of Dubai Aquarium. So we will be having a very nice view while dining in over there. So let's go.
It will take 10 minutes.
I am waiting for the pager to beep, and till then we will be enjoying this aquarium, watching these sharks only, and when our turn will come and this pager will start to ring, then we will go there. We have got a table now.
एक मिनट. That's not the Oreo one. इधर आओ.
Here is the menu, and I'll be viewing it in detail.
नेपाली का
Fried macaroni and cheese. We're gonna be order this. Flatbread pizza. Lunch specials. View बहुत प्यारा है. And this one is the most famous chicken Madeira. Okay, we will go for this one. Chicken Madeira. Pastas, fish and seafood, factory combination, steaks, side dishes, and then salads, sandwiches, eggs and omelets, Saturday and Sunday breakfast, cheesecake. जस्ट ये हम बैठे हुए हैं इस वक्त एक्वेरियम के बिल्कुल सामने. एक साइड पे हमारा एक्वेरियम है और दूसरे साइड पर है पूरा चीज़ केक फैक्ट्री. So the food has been served and we are just going to eat that. And this is chicken Madeira, their specialty. This is most running one, and our favorite one is fried mac and cheese balls. So let's eat them. हाँ, ऑनलाइन चेक कर चुकी हूँ मैं. इधर और चेक कर लो एक दफ़ा. ये ग्लो सीरम है. ये ले लो फिर. ये वाला एक्सफोलिएटर और
So I'm done with my shopping. If you like my video, don't forget to subscribe my channel. Take care. Bye bye.